Your website loading speed can make all the difference between losing or converting a customer. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. Most people visiting websites on a mobile will leave a website that takes longer than 3 seconds to load. And yet, most websites miss that by at least 19 seconds. To really stand apart from your competitors, you should optimize your website experience with Google Ads accelerated mobile pages. Let's take a look at the benefits. With faster landing pages, you are likely to get more conversions and therefore more profits. AMP will allow you to create web pages that load quickly. This will also create a smoother experience for your audience, which is important to improve your overall quality score and ad rank. An AMP landing page is created from standard web technologies, so it's simple to integrate into your existing development templates. One simple way to create AMP compliant ads is using Google Web Designer. Hope you enjoyed this video and would love to hear your thoughts on the AMP optimization. Please leave a comment in the box below. Thanks for your time and I hope to see you in my next video.